Hello, my name is Geraldine Thompson, Staff Governor at MFT and delighted to be elected by my fellow governors in 2020 as lead governor. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to update you on our current membership and outline how our governors represent you and the wider public. I'll then explain how members can get involved in shaping the future of our trust, and finally announce the results of our 2021 governor elections. Governors support the Trust to develop and promote member recruitment and engagement initiatives in keeping with our overall membership and engagement strategy recruitment aim, which is to have a public membership that is representative of the diverse communities that the Trust serves by addressing identified shortfalls in terms of diversity of the Trust's public membership profile. I would like to assure you that we continue to have a representative membership. This is comprised of just over 50,000 public and staff members as at the 31st of March 2021. As a foundation trust, we are accountable to our members, who include our patients, local residents, staff, and stakeholders. Members are able to influence the Trust's decision-making processes and forward plans through our governors. Engaging with our members means we can respond much more quickly and effectively to the identified needs of our patients, their families, and our staff. The past year has been challenging for all, and due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, we were unable to carry out our usual face-to-face public member recruitment campaign. We therefore used digital communication and new recruitment initiatives, including the recent NHS Love Letter campaign. This provided an opportunity for members of the public to consider becoming a member of MFT. They were also invited to share any healthcare experiences provided to them and their loved ones, and any associated hopes and dreams for the future. As governors, one of our key aims is to proactively represent the interests of members, as well as effectively hold non-executive directors to account for the performance of the board directors. In more usual times, we would attend a regular face-to-face meeting with trust officers. However, to keep us all safe during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, in keeping with our regulators' guidance, all face-to-face meetings were suspended. The Trust has, however, continued to provide support and has worked exceptionally hard to keep governors informed about key developments. This has been achieved through a variety of methods, including regular COVID-19 briefings and a dedicated governor resource, the MFT Chairman's Bulletin. We have also been regularly updated on the Trust's plans, including the integration and redevelopment of North Manchester General Hospital and MFT service transformation and recovery plans. External factors have also been shared with governors, including key elements of the NHS White Paper and associated financial structures that are currently being considered by government. Whilst face-to-face meetings were not possible, the Trust has regularly met with governors using new formats. This has included holding regular virtual meetings and development sessions with the Group Chairman, Cathy Cowell, Group Executive Directors, and Group Non-Executive Directors. These virtual meetings has ensured that open and transparent discussions are held and that appropriate assurances are sought on behalf of members. During the COVID-19 national emergency, regular key meeting items have included the following: receiving information on the Trust's general capacity and demand, infection prevention and control measures, the establishment and use of the NHS Nightingale Hospital North West, vaccination and recovery programmes, plus financial frameworks. Governors have also been regularly updated on our dedicated workforce. They have received key information about staff health and well-being, including COVID-19 risk assessments, and how the Trust has developed and established new initiatives to support individuals and teams throughout the pandemic. A clear theme which has been apparent to governors is how truly valued and appreciated our workforce at MFT continues to be. During these unprecedented times, the dedication of staff has been constant. They have regularly gone above and beyond to care for and treat our patients. On behalf of the Council of Governors, I want to pass on our heartfelt thanks and appreciation to all our wonderful staff. On behalf of my fellow governors, I also want to provide assurance that the Trust's robust governance processes have ensured that all legislative requirements have been met, with associated governors' statutory duties being fulfilled. These have included things like governors being actively involved in the group chairman and group non-executive directors' appraisal processes, and, where required, approving their reappointments, terms of office and remuneration. The Trust's external auditor formally reported to governors their annual auditor report findings, with governors approving their reappointment, ensuring that all due processes were followed. Governors were also regularly briefed and appropriately consulted on the North Manchester General Hospital transaction. We approved the associated updated MFT constitution in February 2021, alongside MFT's membership and engagement strategy in April 2021. Copies of both documents are available on our website or via the membership office. Governors are also regularly provided with key information around the Trust's recovery programme. We sought assurance on behalf of members in relation to patient referrals, diagnostic procedures, and outpatient consultations. Governors also regularly requested updates on COVID-19 research projects, including new emerging variants, treatments, and testing regimes, and support initiatives for our Black and minority ethnic staff and people in wider community. The Governor colleagues and I will continue to work hard on your behalf to seek assurances and support MFT staff throughout these challenging times. Your views and opinions still remain really important to us. Members' feedback helps us to shape the services we provide and to develop our future plans. This year, your governors have again made key contribution to MFT's forward plan on behalf of you. The plan is now available on the MFT website. And a key way that members can get involved with the Trust is by standing for election to our Council of Governors. Information about the process is posted on our Governor election page in early July. MFT's Council of Governors has 32 governors, of which 24 are elected and 8 are nominated governors. They are all enthusiastic and committed to representing you as staff and public members, as well as the general public. I would now like to move on to the results of our recent governor elections. However, first, a heartfelt thank you to the governors who have retired over the past year for their very valuable contribution during such a challenging period. So there were just 2 seats open for election in 2 public constituencies this year, Greater Manchester and the rest of England and Wales. We had 24 valid candidates. We also had 2 appointed, nominated governor seats that were open, and I can formally announce the results. I would like to warmly welcome our new and re-elected nominated governor colleagues who will formally join MFT's Council of Governors following our annual members' virtual meeting on the 21st of September 2021. We are confident they will do an excellent job in representing you, our members, and the wider public. On behalf of the Council of Governors, I'd like to close by commending all of MFT's 28,000 staff. Their dedication to patients, their support for each other over the past 18 months has been simply outstanding. We offer our sincere thanks to everybody who's worked so hard to deliver the best of care in the worst of times. On a personal note, thank you for supporting us, your governors, and MFT. When you've had a chance to view all our films, please send any questions to us as governors or to the board of directors via the trust.secretary@mft.nhs.uk email or call 0161 276 4841. Questions received will be collated and the responses collectively posted back on this annual members meeting website as soon as possible. If you would like more information about membership and governors, please contact the Foundation Trust Membership Office, which is ft.inquiries@mft.nhs.uk.